Voelkers. Are you interested in purchasing a new home? If so, have an experienced real estate advisor to help you navigate through the process can make all the difference. Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate.
Buying a new construction home can be a rewarding experience. There are lots of benefits, from being the very first owner to the excitement of customizing your own features. But it can also be an overwhelming process as well. And this is where there is value in having a highly skilled real estate advisor to guide you. According to experts from the mortgage reports, and I'm quoting, your real estate agent will be key to helping you navigate the process. They'll guide you through construction and anticipate providing solutions to any possible snags along the way.
Although you'll be working with a builder, an experienced realtor has expertise to evaluate the construction quality and the reputation of different builds. You'll also receive qualified insights into understanding builder contracts, timelines, and negotiations.
So, if you're in the market to buy, don't wait. Reach out to us so that we can help turn your vision of owning a new home into reality.
We're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate, and we love guiding you home.